Alright, just heading into town. A couple days ago we ended up with about 7.5 inches of snow. Last night we ended up with about 6. And right now when I cleaned off my truck, it's over 12 to 14 inches on top of my truck. And it's crazy out there right now. No plows out as of yet, and it's after 11 o'clock, and none of the roads are done. Crazy, crazy weather, I'm telling you. 1st of April, and we're getting our butt whipped. So who's calling who a fool? Oh, crazy, crazy. Okay, I'll let you go.